welcome back to my channel. Okay, today is Tuesday and I just woke up this morning. I know I have to film a video and I'm like, what the heck am I filming? Am I doing smoky? Am I doing springtime? Am I doing summer? Am I doing color? I don't know what I'm doing. So today I decided just to turn my camera on and just start putting on makeup because I just felt like putting on makeup today. I just have a bunch of palettes here. I have the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. I have the Morphe 3502 palette. I have the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. Like, I just don't know what makeup look to do and I'm just lost in the sauce. So, I don't know. But, we're going to figure it out. So, yeah. Like, like random get ready with me's with no direction, just spontaneous makeup tutorials, and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to share. Also follow on my social media so we can be connected over there. So I'm gonna just go in with some concealer. I'm gonna just prime my eyes. I already did my eyebrows. I will have an updated eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so that will also be in the description box, and I'll have it pop up in the cards. So I'm going to just basically use my little pan, my little concealer foundation pan. And I'm going to just go on my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe this is in a color shade fawn. And I'm going to just prime my eyes with the concealer. I don't use eyeshadow primer, right? I don't use eyeshadow primer anymore. I think I'm gonna go on my 3502 palette. I don't know. So I'm gonna just use this Sigma E40 brush. It's off. The number of it is off, so I really don't know which brush this is. It's like a taper brush. So I don't know. I'm gonna go on with this shade right here. I do have the, I don't know. I'm sorry, just bear with me. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and put that in my crease. I'm gonna also put this inside of the crease to deepen it up or change the shade. I don't know. I'm just freestyling and profiling. This shade right here, don't ask me what this is, but it's like a nice chocolate brown shade. 'Cause you are. Touched this shade. No, I have never. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here that I've never touched ever in my life. And we're gonna see how this comes out. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. And I really like it. It's like, I don't know, it's giving me fall vibes. I don't know, maybe I'm a little bit over some at this point. And I'm ready for fall to approach. I don't know. But this is what I came up with. And I believe I like it. I don't know if I want to put winged eyeliner. I guess I will decide this, you know, as the tutorial goes on. So I'm gonna just do my other eye off camera and I'll be back and then we're gonna get into the face. Okay guys, I am back. I already applied my lashes. I have on the Kiss Envy lashes in number 07, so Wispy. I love these lashes. I just got these lashes probably like a couple of days ago, and I've been wearing them ever since. So now we're gonna move on to the face. So I know I love my e.l.f. mattifying all you control primer mist. This is my ish right here. That was so a wake up call. So I'm gonna use my Will Technique sponge, and I'm gonna just pat that all in my face. It's crazy. I got this mirror here, this mirror here. Like I just can't get my legs together. Okay, so we're gonna use the Colourpop No Filter foundation. This foundation, let me tell y'all something. This foundation is lit. When I did my review on the foundation, the concealer, and the powder, literally this foundation lasted 13 hours. No lie. When I mean in the concealer was in place, the freaking I can't talk today. The foundation was in the concealer, everything was in place. The only thing that probably like left me was my highlight, because I had it on for 13 hours for Christ's sake. But when I tell you my face was still flawless, I was like, nah, that's it. This is gonna be my freaking foundation for the summer. Between this and Fenty, girl, let me just tell y'all. And this is the final look. I actually love this eye look. It's giving me like fall vibes, even though we are literally in the middle of June. Sorry, we are literally in the middle of July, but I really love this freaking look. It's giving me summery but smoky at the same time, and it's giving me like the color of the fall leaves. So I'm just like, But anyway, this was fun, just doing something spontaneously and just coming up with whatever, because usually when I film videos, I always know what I'm about to film. I always know what I'm doing, but sometimes it's just days where I don't know what's going on. I don't get any inspo, or it just happens. I mean, I'm human. But I think I'm gonna be doing like just any other time when I just want to do a regular, not a regular, but just like a spontaneous get ready with me, then I'll just film it. You know, y'all can sit, watch me do y'all makeup too, etc. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you a whole lot. Don't forget to follow my social medias. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet. And if you have not yet, then what are you waiting for? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Join the family. And I see you guys in the next video. We're about to get into some slow-mos. Y'all know the drill. Slow-mos, pictures, etc. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Laters.